Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites: VS Code installed, Codex extension added, and your workspace open. Once done, open the file you want Codex to assist with and set the language mode. You will grant the extension necessary permissions. Make sure to allow file access so suggestions work. Then trigger Codex by invoking the command palette or the extension icon. This immediately creates a session and establishes the model context for your code. You now interact with Codex directly in the editor. Select a block or place the cursor, then provide a clear prompt describing intent and constraints. For complex tasks, include 1 or 2 examples and specify expected output or performance requirements. Codex will propose code or refactors. Once you receive suggestions, review them for style and security, accept or modify as needed, and run your unit tests or a quick local run to validate behavior before committing. To finish, refactor any generated code so it matches your project conventions, and add or update unit tests to cover new logic. Commit changes with descriptive messages and push to your repository. If Codex outputs incorrect or unsafe code, stop, reprompt with stricter constraints, and inspect the extension logs for errors. One key tip: if suggestions stall, reload the window and reinitiate the extension. This often clears transient state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.